Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in an app that can read text. You want high contrast and minimal blur, so crop tightly around the letters. This reduces background noise and speeds extraction. If you're on mobile, use your camera app or a dedicated OCR tool. If you're on desktop, open the image in Preview or an editor and save a cropped copy. Once done, you'll be ready to extract text accurately because the cleaner the input, the better the result. You now run the OCR process. Tap Live Text or choose OCR from the app menu and let the software analyze the cropped image. It finds letter shapes and converts them into characters. Make sure the language setting matches the text to improve accuracy and increase resolution if recognition struggles. After processing, review the highlighted text, then copy it to your clipboard. This step converts visuals into editable text, so you can paste into a document or notes for immediate use. You finish by pasting and proofreading. Scan for common misreads, zeros versus the letter O and lowercase l versus 1, and correct them manually. If formatting matters, apply fonts and spacing now. OCR rarely preserves layout perfectly. If you see many errors, retake the image with stronger, even lighting and a steadier hand, then rerun OCR. As a troubleshooting tip, when letters blur, increase resolution and crop more tightly, because clearer input almost always fixes stubborn recognition mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.